Hello friends, in the series of BSE IPF, today we will be talking about price sensitivity. As we have seen in the last session, the basics of bond market, and we have seen the inverse relation between the interest rate and bond price. If interest rates are increasing, bond price will decrease and vice versa. In the same series, we have to also understand that if the duration of a bond paper is more, then what will be the change if interest rate is increasing or decreasing? According to the duration, what are the fluctuation in the bond prices? Today we will try to see. Here are two examples. These are two bond papers in front of us. One is of 3 years and the second is of 4 years. While considering the bond paper of 3 years, if I am coming to you and borrowing 100 rupees from you, at end of first year I'll give you 8 rupees as an interest amount. At end of second year, I'll again come to you and pay the interest amount only. And in the end of third year, I'll come to you and pay interest amount which is of 8 rupees along with the principal amount which I have borrowed from you. So the future cash flow will be 8, 8 and 8. What is the definition of a bond? It is a sum of present value of all future cash flow. This is a future cash flow. We will try to find out the present value. The present value of this 8 rupees which we are going to get or you are going to get after 1 year, you have to invest 7.41 rupees. The present value of 8 rupees which you will receive after 2 years is 6.86 rupees, and you have to invest 85.73 rupees today at the rate of 8% to receive 108 after 3 years. So this is a present value of this 8, 8 and 108. Now future cash flow we have seen. This is a present value and we will do a sum. Sum is 100 rupees. As this is an example of 3 years, this is an example of 4 years. In 4 years the future cash flow will be 8, 8, 8 and 108. This is a future cash flow. This is a present value, and again we have calculated the addition of it. We have done the addition of it. If interest rate is increasing, because interest rate will be in denominator while calculating the present value, if denominator is increasing, definitely the answer will be lesser. If you have already invested in a bond paper of 8%, and if market rate is 9% nowadays, you will feel sad that if you would have not invested at 8%, you will be still getting a opportunity to invest at 9%. You would have gone 9, 9 and 109 instead of 8, 8 and 108 which you are already getting. So if interest rates are increasing, then definitely the demand of the bond paper which you are having at 8% will also reduce. So looking at the three different reasons, mathematical, logical, that interest rate if increasing, then bond price will come down. And looking at this example, for 3 years bond paper, the difference is of 2.53%, where for 4 years this bond price, the bond price of 4-year papers have fallen more than the 3 years paper. And if interest rate is decreasing, the 4-year bond paper have given more returns. That means the longer the duration, more the sensitivity is there. If the duration is more, your bond paper is more sensitive. So whenever we are investing in mutual fund, we should always focus that what is the duration of our bond paper. If your portfolio is having the debt papers whose duration is more, that means your portfolio is more sensitive. So here today we will stop. If you want to know more about some different topics, please mention in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section. Also please say thanks to BSE IPF and SEBI. Thank you very much for liking our sessions.